Bringing your dogs along on camping trips is the best, unless they're runners. You can attach them to a leash, but sometimes you don't really feel like holding it all day. Hi, I'm Sarah from RecPro, and we have the perfect product for you. This is our RV Surface Mount D-Ring. Its product code is RP-2907-Leash. So it will survive all sorts of different weather environments and it will not rust. I'll go ahead and insert the dimensions up on the screen if you want to take a closer look. So this is perfect because it mounts right onto your RV and it is made to attach your dog's leash to. So that way they will not run away. It's made out of durable plastic and steel, so it will survive all types of different weather environments. These are sold in packs of 1, 2, or 4 in case you have multiple animals with multiple leashes. And the D-ring on it pivots so you can get multiple different angles. Overall, this is just really awesome. It's an awesome way to include your pet in your outdoor space when you're hanging out outside and camping, and makes you and your animals a lot happier. If you're interested in this product, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling on the road, roll with RecPro.